Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Weiners perfectly using a few popular methods. We are starting with the classic boiling method, which is incredibly straightforward and efficient. This simple approach ensures your Weiners are heated all the way through, resulting in a tender texture every single time. It is a fantastic option when you need a quick, satisfying meal for yourself or your family, ready in just a few minutes. For boiling, simply fill a medium-sized pot with enough water to completely submerge your Weiners. Place the pot on a burner and bring the water to a vigorous, rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, gently add your Weiners to the pot using tongs to avoid splashing. Let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring they are thoroughly heated. Then, remove them from the water, and they are ready to enjoy. Grilling provides a wonderful smoky flavor and a nice snap to your Weiners. Start by preheating your grill to a medium-high temperature, approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly brush a little oil onto your grill grates to prevent any sticking as they cook. Place your Weiners directly on the grates and cook them for about 5 to 8 minutes, turning them frequently. You are looking for a lovely, slightly charred exterior and a plump, juicy interior. If you prefer a crispy, browned exterior, pan frying is an excellent choice for indoor cooking. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of your preferred oil or butter in a skillet over medium heat. Once hot, carefully add your Weiners to the pan. Cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning them every minute or two to ensure even browning on all sides. This method develops a fantastic savory crust, adding a delightful texture to each bite. Now that your Weiners are perfectly cooked, it is time for the fun part, serving them up. Place your hot Weiners on soft, fresh buns and pile on your favorite toppings. Traditional condiments like ketchup, mustard, and relish are always a hit. For something a little extra special, try adding some warm chili, shredded cheese, or tangy sauerkraut. However you dress them, these delicious Weiners are sure to be a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.